The BMW Group is the pioneer in the field of electro-mobility. In 2013, the company's Leipzig plant began building the fully electric BMW i3. It was followed a year later by the i8. In 2017 alone, the company sold more than 100,000 electrified vehicles. Today, the BMW Group produces electrified models at 10 locations worldwide. It has extensive core capabilities in the development and production of electric drivetrains. Electric motors and batteries are developed and manufactured in-house. 3 battery plants supply local production of electrified vehicles. The company also has its own center of competence, with extensive knowledge of battery cell technology and production processes. Depending on demand, electrified vehicles will account for a growing share of future sales. This requires maximum production flexibility. The most efficient solution is to integrate production of electric cars into existing production structures. Maximum utilization of plant capacity is a priority for us. We want to design our production system so that we can build vehicles with a pure electric drivetrain, hybrid drivetrain or combustion engine on the same assembly line. This creates a unique level of flexibility and avoids high investments. The Munich plant is a good example of this. This is where the fully electric BMW i4 will be built going forward, assembled on the same line as vehicles with hybrid drivetrains or combustion engines. For this reason, the BMW Group will be introducing 2 flexible vehicle architectures that can be used to produce all drive forms: combustion engine, plug-in hybrid, or pure electric drivetrain. This ensures that the BMW Group remains fully capable of responding to demand for all models with every type of drivetrain in any market at any time. But what needs to happen at the plant so that all engine variants can come off the same line? In the press shop and paint shop, there will be no major changes. In the body shop and assembly, the production sequence will need to be modified. This will allow the BMW Group to respond quickly and flexibly to changing market developments and create secure jobs. In 2025, the company will have 25 electrified models, 12 of them fully electric. We will be steadily increasing the number of electrified models across all brands and product lines. The BMW Group is ready to face the challenges of the future.